How do plants make food? Oh, Dad is in the kitchen. He is making my favorite food. He uses various ingredients to prepare food. But what do plants do when they feel hungry? Do they have their moms and dads to cook for them? The answer is no. The plants are super smart. They know how to make food for themselves. A plant makes its food in the green leaves. The green leaves are the food factories of the plants. The process by which green leaves make their food is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Like your mom needs different ingredients to cook food, plants also need sunlight, water, and air to make their food. Water is absorbed by the roots of the plants and roots transport water to stem and branches. Water enters the leaf through stalk or petiole and is circulated in the leaf with the help of veins. The lower surface of leaves has tiny openings or pores known as stomata. Stomata can be seen under a microscope. Carbon dioxide gas, which is exhaled by animals and humans, is taken by the leaf through stomata. Plants can make their food only during daytime when the sun is bright, as sun's light energy is required for photosynthesis. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll, which gives green color to the leaves and is essential for photosynthesis. Plants make food by using carbon dioxide, sunlight, water in the presence of chlorophyll and also produce oxygen as a byproduct, which is an essential gas for animals as it is required for breathing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more such videos.